Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a tutorial for challenge number 5. So excited. So we are doing the polished up challenge and it is number 5, and here is the inspiration. I am so excited. So originally I had done like a naked cow design, which I think will be up before this one. If not, then you see it on my right hand. If I don't know if it'll be up instead, but I was like, you know what? I really want to get into it. Like, I really want to try to challenge myself. So I did find these purple kind of like half moon. They're obviously earrings with like a dark teal, and I loved it. And so I literally copied that and put it on my nails, and they are so fun. It was a little challenging because, again, I'm working on my hand painting. So to do that, I kind of have to, practice, and we get there at the end. I really wanted to use striping tape, but I was not about to cut 8 million little pieces of striping tape on my nails. That would have taken forever. I have a 2-month-old. I don't have enough time to do that. So as you can see, we are taking off the current rainbow design, and then we are going to semi-prep the nail, meaning I'm not taking off everything and I'm not backfilling. I'm just overlaying what I currently have. So you can kind of see that I will just take off the design, and then I will go ahead and file parts of it, and then I do actually have to do a little bit of a layover because I infilled it twice already, 2 different designs, so I do have to build it up. So I will catch you back when we are starting the build up. Taking tack and I'm applying this all over the enhancement that I have there. Again, we are not backfilling this mani because I'm going to do a complete redo of the nails, but I am going to build it up a little bit because when I have taken off 2 designs, I have now taken off some of the structure, so I need to build that structure back up. So we're going to go ahead and cure that bad boy, come in with gelish foundation, and then we're going to cure that, and I'll catch you back on the next step. I've been using pink one step under my nails. I have a million different colors on, but as of right now, it's pink one step. So I'm applying that slip layer, and then we are going to build it up some. I really don't want to get this on the stuff that I have not prepped because that will cause lifting. So by keeping it on the area that already has gel, we will be able to not cause any lifting. Lost my train of thought there. Okay, so what I am doing here is giving you a different angle. Again, a couple tutorials I like to give you a different angle. This is the hardest angle for me to film because with my nail bent, I'm almost directly in the camera. As you can see, it's not in focus. And then I realize, oh yeah, because I can't see anything. So I am just walking it down the nail, and then I will take my polish brush, the oval number 4, and run it down the sides just a little bit. So coming in with the design, there we go. You can see purple arch. And I'm not going to make you sit here in real time because you do not want to sit here in real time for me because it took me a little bit, okay? So what I'm doing is creating that arch, and again, I'm leaving it naked. So I've actually already filed and buffed the nails. I didn't do much filing because, again, I was just adding a little bit of structure to the nail. So once I have that completed, I'm going to move on, and I am flash curing in between all of these arches because knowing myself, I will smudge it. Trust me, I will smudge it. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and cure, and I'm taking Selena Ride stripey brush, and kind of letting the brush do the work for me by kind of like pushing down and like pulling it through. But obviously I am far from perfect, and that's why I am trying a lot of hand painting lately, which I think you've seen. You might not see them yet, but there's quite a few tutorials where I'm doing some hand painting. So now we are going to take gold metallic, and we are going to do all of the stripes. I leave this one in a slower motion for you guys so you can see this, like this specific nail, and then I move into that fast one. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch me do these stripes. that a cure. Take Midsummer's Night and Nevermore and mix it together. I would say it's 2 Nevermore and 1 Midnight Summer because I needed it more teal. Sorry that my finger is kind of, covering it. But I'm leaving this in real time. Yes, I'm super slow. I'm super slow with everything. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a cure. Again, flash curing between each nail because I need to, because I will smudge it. So again, we're in fast motion here. And I do some touch-ups off camera just because it would make this tutorial forever long if I fixed all my mistakes on camera. So trying to keep things on and off camera. So I am going to do glossy on this because I really wanted the gold to kind of stick out. Again, the striping tape would have made it stick out a lot more, but I'm okay with just the gold buttercream. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the challenge. Bye-bye.